Unlock the power to draw your viewer's eye exactly where you want it with these essential Premiere Pro zooming techniques. First, let's tackle the most common way to zoom using the scale property. Select the clip you want to zoom in on, then go to the Effects Controls panel here. You'll find the scale property. You can manually adjust this value, but for dynamic zooms, we'll be animating it. Move your playhead to the point where you want the zoom to begin. Click the stopwatch next to scale to set your first keyframe. This locks the current scale value. Now, move your playhead to the point where you want the zoom to end. Increase the scale value. Premiere Pro automatically creates a second keyframe, creating a smooth zoom transition. To keep your subject centered, you'll often need to adjust the position property along with the scale as you zoom in. Move the position value to reframe your shot. Think of it like looking through a magnifying glass. You're repositioning the view. For a more polished, cinematic feel, right-click on your keyframes and select Temporal Interpolation. Then choose Ease In or Ease Out. This smooths out the start or end of your zoom, making it look less robotic. Another fantastic method is using the dedicated zoom effect from the Video Effects panel. Search for Zoom under Distort. Drag this effect directly onto your clip in the Effects Controls panel. You'll see parameters like center, amount, and expansion. Similar to the scale property, you can animate the amount parameter. Set a keyframe at the start, move the playhead, increase the amount, and Premiere Pro handles the zooming animation. This effect can sometimes give a slightly different, often more pronounced, zoom look. With the zoom effect, you can also animate the center property. This allows you to zoom into a specific point within your frame, creating more artistic or dramatic reveals. Remember, once you've applied your zooms, consider color grading your footage in Lumetri Color to further enhance the visual impact of your focused details. Mastering these zooming techniques will instantly elevate your video editing, making your projects more dynamic and captivating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.